Today we have NanoFoil. It's a material that Indium Corporation creates. It's a material that allows people to use it in an application where they need intense heat in a short amount of time. And it's enough heat, about 1500 degrees Celsius for about 1/10 of a second, that can melt a solder interface on both sides of it. So once it's activated, it turns into what's called nickel aluminide, and it shrinks. And because it shrinks, and you can see that it's crinkled up, if it's in a solder interface, it will break up, and there's a layer on there that will help to bond, and the solder will go in between the cracks of the interface and allow you to have a solder bond. With NanoFoil, they can put this foil in between the two pieces of metal that are coated with solder, activate the foil, and in a second they'll bond very large pieces of solder or metal, whatever needs to be bonded, as long as it's coated with solder. Having this technology is important for us to be a leading material supplier to allow new applications to come to market. So we're excited about that, and we're happy to have it. Any questions, you can contact us through our website.